What if the next Grammy-winning hit isn't made by a human, but by a machine? Hey, I'm Saran, and you've just stepped into the future of music production. Today I'm diving into how artificial intelligence is not just helping musicians, it's becoming one. From beats to vocals, AI is rewriting the rules of how we create, experience, and even sell music. Right now, tools like AI VA, Amper, and Boomi can compose full tracks in seconds. Want a cinematic score? Just type a mood. Need rap lyrics? Ask ChatGPT. You don't even have to know how to play an instrument anymore. Just prompt and play. Voice cloning lets me craft custom vocals that sound just like any artist. With auto-mixing tools like Lander, you can master tracks with a single click. Out of ideas, AI generates melodies, harmonies, lyrics, even wild genre mashups. EDM jazz? Viking lo-fi? The sky's the limit. Picture this: jamming live with an AI drummer who adapts to your groove. Streaming services generating music in real time, tailored to your mood or even your location. AI DJs remixing your playlists based on your brainwaves. Seriously, that's on the horizon. Here's the thing: AI isn't here to replace your creativity. It's here to amplify it. The soul in music, that's all you. AI just gives you superpowers. If your mind's blown, hit subscribe and join me on AI Tech with Saran. Drop your favorite AI music tool in the comments and let's shape the future of sound together.